Recently, I helped this creator go from 0 subscribers on YouTube to over 100,000 subscribers in just 30 days, and I helped this creator do the exact same thing. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact blueprint that both of these creators were able to implement that allowed them to skyrocket their growth. Step number 1 is that you need to be testing your actual call to action on YouTube. So many creators mess this up. Sometimes they put it in the beginning, sometimes they put it at the end. They always change up their call to action, or they never change up their call to action, and all of those things are actually a mistake. Instead, what you need to be doing, you need to, 1, have a control that you can actually do an A/B test. So let's start. You're just gonna have one call to action. I'm gonna share with you in just a little bit exactly what that call to action should be, but you need a call to action in your content. And what first you wanna do is you wanna test it only at the end of your piece of content. You wanna test that and determine what percentage of people actually end up subscribing to your videos. So what you're going to do, you're going to create a video. You're going to have a call to action at the end of the video. For example, subscribe for more, which by the way is an absolutely horrible call to action, and we're going to fix that in just a second. Now what you need to do is you need to actually mark down and say, okay, this video got 1,000 views. Here's how many subscribers I got, and you need to divide the amount of subscribers that you got divided by the amount of views that you got, and this needs to be at least 0.5 to 1.5%. If you're not getting that many subscribers, then it's a sign that your call to action is trash, and this is one of the reasons that you're never going to get 100,000 subscribers. Now the next thing that I need to make sure that you're doing is you need to make sure that you're trying putting it at the beginning of your video. Now after you've done that for about 7 days, the next thing that I want you to do, I want you to begin testing putting it at the beginning of your video. And you're probably going to find for a lot of you that this leads to you getting more subscribers, but for some of you it won't, which is exactly why you need to make sure that you're testing this thing. And now I need to make sure that you're actually crafting the perfect call to action, because if your call to action is off, it's going to be one of the reasons that you're not getting more subscribers right now. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to go quicker on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, if you're not posting at the best time on YouTube, there's going to be no chance that you gain over 100,000 subscribers in just 30 days. So please go to the pinned comment below, get into my free YouTube growth course where it's going to share with you the best times to post and even the best hashtags to use. What are you waiting for? It's literally 100% free. Just go to the link in the pinned comment below. Did you see what I just did there in the call to action? I didn't just tell you to subscribe for more. I told you to subscribe if you want to grow faster on YouTube. Now, since you're watching a video about how to go from 0 to 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, I know you want to grow faster on YouTube, and you need to do the same exact thing in your content. You need to figure out exactly what it is that your audience wants, and you need to make your call to action for that. Because if you're able to do that, then you're going to allow people to confirm their identity through smashing that subscribe button instead of just selfishly trying to get people to subscribe. And what is that going to result in? That is going to result in you getting more subscribers if you implement the next 2 tips I share with you. And this next tip is incredibly crucial whether you have posted a lot before or you have not posted a lot before. You need to be paying attention to your posting frequency on YouTube. And there's a few reasons for this. First and foremost, you will never be good at creating YouTube videos if you don't create YouTube videos. And I see so many people struggle with this. You would never try to walk onto an NBA team or an NFL team without practicing football, without lifting weights, or without practicing basketball. So why do you expect that you could just buy a phone and a ring light and automatically you're going to become the next Mr. Beast or the next Logan Paul? It's not going to happen like that. Instead, what you need to do is actually put in the reps. And by putting in the reps, I mean you need to be posting at least 1 to 4 times a day on YouTube. Now, before you say, Rob, that's way too much, if that's way too much, then you're doing something wrong, because it shouldn't take you hours and hours and hours to actually create your YouTube content unless you're doing animation content. And even then, I think that you could get out a lot more content that you actually think you can if you create a long animation and then chop that up into different shorts, and then boom, you have 11 videos, and it took you a week to create those 11 videos, but now you could upload 1 to 2 videos every single day and still be able to get content out at the same frequency that I just mentioned to you. On top of that, you need to make sure that you're waiting at least an hour to 2 hours in between your posts. And when it comes to long form content, I would be trying to post as frequently as you possibly can. The reason being is because if you're able to post frequently while still having quality content, it's going to increase the amount of things that you could actually sell. I'll give you a perfect example. If I only made 1 YouTube video a week, I bet that video would get 100,000 views or more. But I make a lot of YouTube videos so that I can provide so many examples and really try to solve your problems, which results in more people getting into my free course, which results from more people joining my mentorship program. So if you want to maximize the amount of money that you can make from social media, you need to be posting frequently, because it's going to allow you to relate to more people, it's going to allow you to provide more value, and ultimately it's going to lead to you reaching your goals quicker. And the other reason that I want you to be posting that frequently is because if you can build up a catalog of content, it's going to allow you to get more views. For example, you're watching this video right now, but I bet within the next 48 hours, you watch another one of my YouTube videos. Now I have a bunch of YouTube videos out there, and it might take YouTube suggesting 2, 3, or even 4 of them to find the one that you want to click on. But guess what? Since I've made so many videos, there's a huge amount of content to solve your problems or to entertain you, or maybe you just want to learn something new. And then that results in me getting more views and ultimately me getting more subscribers. Because you might not just subscribe after watching the first video, you might have to watch several videos, but that's completely fine because I've got tons of content and tons of value to actually provide you. Which brings me to the last point of this video, which is that you need to be legitimately providing value to the person on the other end of this screen. And this doesn't only mean answering their problems. What it could also mean is providing them with entertainment, providing them with escapism, or even motivating them. And you need to make sure that you're actually doing that. And there are a few different ways for you to do this and for you to stand out, and these things are gonna lead to you getting more subscribers. The first thing, respond to as many comments as humanly possible. Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, Jake Paul, they don't respond to people's comments. So you can stand out and be a new YouTube creator in somebody's eyes by simply responding to somebody's comments. The second thing that you could be doing is giving away the best information that you have 100% for free. That's what I've strived to do on my channel over and over and over again, and it's what I would suggest that you do also. The third thing, you need to make sure that you're actually paying attention to what your viewers are watching and how you can incorporate that into your content. And this goes for the length of the content, the type of content, the format of the content, and even what the content is about. If you can stay on top of that, you're gonna be able to provide more value than you could have ever imagined, and this is going to lead to getting more subscribers. Now, if you want me to look at your channel, tell you exactly what to post, what titles to use, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, well then please keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on YouTube and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last forever. And there are two things holding you back right now. The first one is that you haven't implemented everything that I just shared with you in this video. And the second is that you haven't gotten into my YouTube mentorship program yet, which literally is going to guarantee that I help you get more subscribers on YouTube in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. In fact, the average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 31,000 subscribers. And the lowest amount of subscribers anybody has ever gained is 1,000 subscribers if they implement everything that I share with them in this video. If you want results like that, please go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. Because if you're still watching this video, I'm gonna guess that you're above average. So the odds of you getting over 31,000 subscribers is probably quite high. And if you don't remember, you need 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized on YouTube. So this is a perfect opportunity for you to make more money from YouTube and for you to set yourself up to become a full-time YouTuber. In fact, I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use, again, to guarantee that you get more subscribers on YouTube. If you don't get more subscribers, I will give you your money back, 0 questions asked. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is designed to help you get more subscribers faster and easier. Ultimately, it's going to get you more subscribers or your money back. This creator just went through it and gained over 100,000 subscribers. This creator over 150,000 subscribers, and this creator over 400,000 subscribers. And I want you to be my next success story, and I want you to be the next person that makes a full-time living from YouTube. So please go to the link in the description below, sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're gonna get more subscribers or you're gonna get your money back. If you're not interested in those two things, please watch the next 2 videos I put up on the screen because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.